Welcome to Immersion 2025, the premier project-based learning conference meticulously designed for school leaders to jump the queue and lead the shift from rote-based learning to project-based learning. The Immersion workshop is a 3-day immersive experience where participants don't just learn about project-based learning, they live it. While engaging in a hands-on project themselves, they simultaneously design a similar learning experience tailored to their students, their content, and their community context. Our approach to PBL has always been user-friendly. The materials we create and the workshops we facilitate are highly accessible for educators. Teachers find them engaging and practical, helping bridge the gap between theory and real-world classroom application.
So first thing was, I met so many like-minded people who were thinking in the same line and length of around, building skills in children. And we at HRM were doing certain things along with, Propel. So I could see the connection and how skill is so much integrated with project-based learning. So sessions with Paul and sessions with Micki were so eye-opening, and we could see that what things we were missing on and how I can build it and build the leadership team to bring in more rigor for PBL learning.
Last year in 2024, when I had attended, I was having no idea about project-based learning, and our students and teachers both are very much enthusiastic to perform and to enact that. Ultimately, they are learning something new, they are learning to collaborate with each other. It's a very good journey altogether, and this year also I expect we will learn a lot again.
Last year I got an opportunity to be part of Immersion 2024. It was a great experience where I learned one of the most important things, that learning is not about always knowing more, but learning is about experiencing things differently.
So I think it was a program which brought together a lot of people who want to change the scenario or bring a paradigm shift in the classroom.
We as an educators or education system, we want to sing a lot. And in that experience with Immersion, I felt human, present and more alive with the space that was provided to us, the dialogues that we changed, the reflection that we shared. It was a wonderful experience to be part of.
So for me, it was a program which connected me to so many like-minded people, and to these days, I am connected to those people who keep on, chatting with each other and asking for ideas or saying that, what I'm doing at your school.
Hope we all are meeting again in Immersion 2025 this year.
My name is Agnes Joseph, and I'm here to talk about Immersion 2025. Last year, some of you met me at Immersion 2024, our PBL conference for school leaders. This year, we're coming back with Immersion 2025. The feedback that we got from you in Immersion 2024 was that you want to go deeper into project-based learning, you want to see how to sustain it in your classrooms, you want to see how to deal with teacher conferences, engaging, assessing students, and all of that. This year, we thought, why not cater to all of those needs? And we're bringing to you Immersion 2025 with the what, why, and how of project-based learning. We're going to be deep diving into it. This year, we plan to engage you in understanding what project-based learning is about, how to run a project, equipping you into how to run a project in your school. We will also be looking at what kind of structures can you have as a school leader which sustain project-based learning and build a healthy work environment for all your teachers. We're looking forward to seeing you there, Immersion 2025, at 2 places this year, Delhi NCR and the other in the south, Bangalore. See you at either one of those places.